welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Chor Bazaar market which is in Delhi. I came here बहुत time पहले and I was like बहुत time हो गया, let's explore this market again. And as you can see पीछे मेरे market लग चुकी है. अभी क्या time हुआ है 11 something and हम जामा मस्जिद के मेट्रो स्टेशन गेट नंबर 4 से एग्जिट किया है. तुम किसी भी गेट नंबर से निकल सकते हो एंड वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस से here's the market. Let's go. I'm super duper excited. So guys, this is called चोर बाजार. यहाँ पे ऐसा कहा जाता है कि यहाँ पे सब चोरी का माल आता है, चोरी का सामान आता है. And here you will find everything like not only clothes, home electronics, equipment, shoes, watches, belts, what not, home decor items, सब कुछ. So crazy. बिल्कुल मार्केट के बीच में सामने यू विल फाइंड दिस गॉर्जियस व्यू ऑफ जामा मस्जिद. So guys, next day we are home. इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गई थी ना चोर बाजार में, लिटरली पुलिस आ गई थी एंड वो सब लोगों को बाहर निकाल रहे थे एंड हम भी बाहर आके फाइनली अब घर पहुंच के नेक्स्ट डे हम शूट कर रहे हैं. सो मुझे कोई भी एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी चोर बाजार से कि मुझे बहुत सारे कपड़े मिल जाएंगे बिकॉज आई हैव बीन देयर ओनली वंस इन माई एंटायर लाइफ एंड दैट टाइम आई डिडंट गेट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स बट मुझे बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें मिली है एंड आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज एंड बाद में happy of course. And yeah, I want to show you everything, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I got is this super pretty, okay, ये अटक गया है, okay, सही. So I got this super pretty powder pink dress. If you look closely, इस पे flower pattern बना हुआ है. It's super soft and I guess कि ये kids section का, I mean ये बच्चों की ड्रेस है बट इट फिट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम ऑन मी. लाइक मैंने बस ऐसे रफ साइज लिया था अपना वहाँ पे खड़े होके एंड आई वाज लाइक या इट विल फिट नाइसली ऑन मी, तो मैंने इसे ले लिया एंड यू वोंट बिलीव द प्राइस. इट्स ओनली प्राइस एट ₹100. एंड दिस इज समथिंग, I mean it's not casual and not too party, it's somewhere in the middle. तो तुम इसे ड्रेस अप और ड्रेस डाउन दोनों कर सकते हो and you're getting it in ₹100. I mean you can easily go ahead and invest in this. Also it comes with a zipper at back, तो मुझे zipper and pocket बहुत ज़्यादा ease कर देता है to carry any outfit the entire day. Other than that it also comes with this embellishment on the neck area. इसमें rhinestones भी है जो कि बहुत लूज है. I mean वो निकल गए हैं, मुझे दोबारा लगवाना पड़ेगा but I guess it's okay. Overall love the fit, love the fabric and yeah, ₹100. Okay, and उसके साथ I also got this blazer, like winter blazer. I mean दिखने में winter blazer but I guess you can even wear it in summers. I mean मैं ऐसे करने वाली हूँ. And this one is priced at rupees again 100. So cool. And मैंने इसको इस ड्रेस के ऊपर पहन लिया because अभी दिल्ली में थोड़ी सी winters है, so you can dress according to that way. But other than that you can even wear it with your jeans, skirts and whatnot. And in ₹100 you are just ready for your office or your internship. I mean why not? It's so cool and it's very fashionable, so it's like perfect semi-formal sort of vibe it's giving me. Love the color, love the fit and it's super soft from the inside and as you can see it's not old, no cuts are there. It's amazing. And one more thing, like चोर बाजार में जब मैं गई ना, like बहुत सारा stuff था boys के लिए, like just सरोजनी नगर girls के लिए ना, so you can imagine चोर बाजार for boys, but girls के लिए भी काफी अच्छा सामान था. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा. But yeah, you can see the variety which I'm showing you. It's so cool. Oh guys, I just realized ₹200 mein you have the whole outfit ready. This is so insane. I'm so excited about everything in general. Good for me. You guys know I go to gym and most of you guys also go to gym and active wear and gym wear बहुत ज़्यादा expensive आते हैं but randomly I found this gym leggings there. ओनली ₹100. मतलब सही है ना कितना. एंड आई लव द कलर एंड ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है. नो कट्स अगेन. द मटेरियल इज लाइक सुपर फ्रेश, पुराना नहीं लग रहा है. एंड या अगेन इट फिट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम. एंड इट्स लाइक कि मैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें अब यहाँ से ले सकती हूँ एंड जिम में पहन सकती हूँ. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता लाइक एक ही आउटफिट पहन के तुम बोर हो जाते हो. बट अगर तुम्हारे पास समथिंग कूल एंड अच्छे कलर्स हैं, देन इट जस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली गिव्स यू इनफ मोटिवेशन टू एक्चुअली go and work out, if you know what I mean. And yeah, this is just perfect for that. Alright, so the next thing which I got from Chor Bazaar is this t-shirt which I'm wearing right over here. It's from Men Collection, and you guys must be thinking why I got a t-shirt for myself. I just couldn't resist myself when I looked at this one, because first, it's quite different if you look at the print, and it's giving me a bit of vintage vibe and बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे Zara वाला feel दे रहा है. Like जो Zara का Men Collection होता है ना, वैसा वाला feel दे रहा है. So I was like, yeah, I have to get it, and I can, you know, daily में भी पहन सकती हूँ, and I can, you know, style it in so many different ways as well. And it was only priced at ₹150. So I was like, yeah, because the quality is just amazing, and ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे से fit भी हो रहा है, like arm से, if you can look at it. Along with that, I got this very pretty and oversized winter shrug for myself. First of all, look at the buttons, giving me such old vibes, and इसमें बहुत ही huge pockets है दोनों side पे, which I'm always up for. I was excited just by looking at these two things. I was like, anyway, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute and cozy है, and I was feeling I'm lucky कि मुझे ऐसी वाली चीज़ मिल गई, because ऐसी markets में ना, like finding these cute little things are difficult, so you really have to dig in to find the piece which you actually want for yourself. So please free होकर जाना. And when I wore it, like I felt so cute. I'm feeling cute right now. It's giving me very nice Korean street style fashionable vibe. मतलब मैं ऐसे पूरे दिन पहन के कहीं पे भी घूमने जा सकती हूँ, मार्केट में या घर पे ऐसे सो भी सकती हूँ. It's too comfortable. I can't help it. It's too cozy, and look at the color, and it was only priced at ₹100. Also guys, before showing you the next item, one suggestion from my side would be to not plan your visit to Chor Bazaar अभी आने वाले दिनों में, because it was so crowded. Like eventually police had to come and उन्होंने सब लोगों को बाहर निकाला. But looking at so much crowd, even we were thinking कि अब हमें निकल जाना चाहिए. So don't plan to go अभी, because it's for your own, you know, health and अभी situation wise भी. So just don't plan it अभी. थोड़े दिनों में you can go and have fun. Don't worry about it. Okay, so coming back to our next item, I picked these pair of bellies क्या हो गया था, bellies for myself. Love the powder pink color. It's very neutral thing, so मैं इसे किसी भी outfit के साथ पहन सकती हूँ, and these are very comfortable, and these ones were priced at ₹150, which I guess it's okay, because this is something जो कि like बहुत अच्छा चलने वाला है, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, and yeah, it's stylish as well. So considering it's winter season which is happening abhi Delhi mein, so there were so many options for jackets and puffer jackets and long coats, and even the blazer which I just showed you, like blazer wala jacket. So I also picked this cropped puffer jacket for myself. Can you believe it? Like cropped puffer jacket. This is like so Kendall Jenner and Kylie Jenner wala vibes, and I was like, oh, मुझे ये मिल गया. And you won't believe ये like kids का एक एरिया था, मतलब वहाँ पे बच्चों के कपड़े मिल रहे थे, वहाँ से आई पिक दिस वन फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड मुझे स्लीव से परफेक्ट आ रहा है, मुझे लेंथ वाइज परफेक्ट आ रहा है, एंड दिस वन वॉज ओनली प्राइस एट ₹50. मतलब मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ, मुझे खुद भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है, बट इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. लाइक इसकी कंडीशन अमेजिंग, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ इसे कहीं से भी. द जिपर वर्क्स परफेक्टली, द बटन्स वर्क परफेक्टली, इट ऑल्सो हैज पॉकेट्स, एंड yeah, length wise it's perfect, fit wise it's perfect. And जब मैंने ये लिया तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला मैं तुम्हें और दिखा दूँ बच्चों को. मैंने कहा नहीं, उन्हें नहीं पता था कि मैं अपने लिए ले रही हूँ, but I won. Alright, so the next thing which I got is this pretty shimmery sweater or top, however you want to call it, because it's बहुत पतला, like the material is too thin, so you can even wear it in summers for your parties and events. I mean, if you are not fond of wearing revealing clothes, which is totally fine, so you can go ahead with these kind of options, because it's, you know, covered up, and at the same time it's giving you all the party and event wala feel, because all the shimmery thing which is happening in the fabric of this top, which is great. And this one was only priced at ₹100. Now this is not too fitted and slightly, you know, I would not say oversized, but you know, thoda khula, but I was just feeling myself when I wore it. I mean, you can pair this one with mom jeans or skinny jeans, and बहुत ही अच्छी fit and overall you look in this. And yeah, this gives me all the branded wala feels, but I got it in 100 rupees and I'm all fine with that. So guys, that was it for today's video. I had so much fun going back to Chor Bazaar after so long. I mean, imagine you're shopping locally with the gorgeous view of Jama Masjid. I mean, it just gives you all the good feels in the entire world. It had so many food stalls as well. I didn't try anything because of this whole situation, but hopefully soon ये situation जल्दी से अच्छी होए and हम सब shopping पे जा पाए. Probably साथ में भी. Just giving you hints. Anyway, let me know which outfit option was your favorite in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.